Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg, continuing our series in Fire Prevention Week with my friend Mark Malekish from the Fitchburg Fire Department. Mark, today we're going to focus on the upcoming open house that is coming up on Saturday, October 12th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fire Station number 2. Number 2, keep that in mind, which is really cool. I mean, we have technically 3 stations here in the city of Fitchburg. We've historically been at 1, but we've been at 3 and others, so moving it around is a good thing. But Mark, as we open up the doors to the fire department, some exciting times for you guys to show off who you are, what you're doing, and what questions you can answer, I'm sure, from young to old.
Yeah, so this is our chance, right? Fire Prevention Week and month is October, and then specifically the second week in October is Fire Prevention Week. It's our opportunity to get out and let the public that we serve see all of our apparatus, our stations. We open up the doors and we invite them in, and we set up activities and things like that so that people can learn about fire prevention and how the fire department works. It's really our opportunity to shine.
I love my favorite part since I was a kid to still being a big kid and loving public safety through and through. I love seeing kids don the gear.
Yep.
And be like, my goodness, does that weigh a ton? And I think you guys are always, I have not run into one firefighter that's not been smiling during that and be like, yep, that's right there. But that if that does not paint a good picture of what's going on here, I don't know what does.
So to that end, I'm going to jump ahead on our list a little bit. We have some really talented firefighters. And I put them to the task of building us some props, and we're going to do some neat things with the littles this year. So bring your kids because they will have a blast, and there'll be plenty of good Instagram and Facebook moments to capture on your smartphone.
Bring your kids, bring yourself, bring your phones. That'll be a good. So new location this time. First time at Firehouse number 2.
Yeah, first time. As I understand it, being relatively new to the department, but my understanding is this is the first time we've moved away from Station 1 for this event. So we're moving it over to Station 2, and there's a good reason for that. For one, Station 2 is a working firehouse. So Station 1, where we have had it, is admin. We work out of there, don't get me wrong, but Station 2 is an actual working firehouse. The other reason that we moved it over is our event has coincided with Oak Bank's pumpkin giveaway, apparently for years and years and years. And that we have a fire station directly across the street from Oak Bank, and we weren't hosting our event, which occurs at the same time during the day, on the same day, at the same time, seemed like a missed opportunity. So I reached out to Oak Bank. They were very receptive to us hosting our event at the same time. So it should be a really neat community event.
Very interesting because you'll literally be able to walk across the parking lot, so to speak, from Oak Bank right into the fire department there for the open house, which will work out really good.
Yep.
Let's dive into some of those new activities. So we already kind of talked about a few of those. I want to know this one, Marshall, not Sparky. Is Sparky retired?
So we've retired our Sparky.
What?
Yeah. So a little bit of history on Sparky here in Fitchburg. I used to work at a different fire station. Is where I started my career. And Fitchburg actually purchased the Sparky outfit that I had purchased years ago at this other fire department.
Really?
Unfortunately, over the years, Sparky's gotten a little gamey. He's I've heard some complaints from the people that are doing the Sparky thing for us that the outfit just needed some updating.
Okay.
So we went ahead and updated it. Times change. Sparky's still out there, but Marshall is much better known to the little ones out there. So Marshall will be in appearance going forward as opposed to Sparky.
My goodness. Well, you already mentioned plenty of photo opportunities. Kids obstacle course being set up. Learning about the fire department's good too. And you're adding some food and drink as well.
Yep.
It kind of culminates all into just a great day of learning a little bit about what our department does, who we are, and like I said, just getting to see those apparatus up close too. I mean, pretty darn good.
Absolutely. It's our day to really shine, like I said, and we are an incredibly proud department that's steeped in tradition. We love teaching people about who we are. And this is a great opportunity to learn about the fire service and the department that serves Fitchburg.
Finally, Mark, you guys want to answer questions. So when you come out to this, certainly come out and check out all the displays, but really take the time to talk with any of the firefighters. You guys are a wealth of knowledge in a lot of different categories, but what a great opportunity to pick your brains about just about anything. And you guys are willing, you are there for them.
Yeah, just my experience, firefighters are some of the most well-versed, intelligent people that you'll run into. What I would encourage is, because everybody that brings children is an adult themselves, I'd like to see the adults come to us with more questions. The kids come bubbling with 1,000,001 questions.
Of course.
You know, we can't keep up with the questions as they're rapid fire. But we really want to be able to answer those questions for the adults too. Like, who are we? What do we do? How do we do it? Why do we do it? Why do we paint our truck screen? All of those questions we'll be happy to
show
answer.
up.
You got to come.
All right, again, a reminder, Saturday, October 12th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Fire Station number 2. That's 2931 Marketplace Drive. And like I said, you can start your day with Oak Bank Great Pumpkin Giveaway. Easy for me to say, and then jump right over to the fire station. That's what our crew is going to be doing, by the way. So we'll be out there as well, Mark, and very excited to share and see this event come to life again, and appreciate the time as always.
Oh, we hope to see everybody there, including you.
Oof, I hope. I'll be there. I'm there to see Marshall, so I want his autograph.
Yeah,